Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. If you're new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness, and music related video every week. For today's video, I just want to share some workout outfits and some supplements I got for my health because I want to make a kind of fitness related video, and I recently got 3 workout outfits and some vitamins, so I just want to share them with you guys to inspire you, because we all need some cute workout outfits when you go to gym, because that makes us motivated and that makes us feel more confident to accomplish the goal. So I love it. And I rarely buy workout outfits, to be honest, because they are quite expensive compared to just normal clothing, but recently I got some, so I'm not gonna ramble anymore, so let's get started. And at first I braided my hair because it's literally just so hot. I don't have an air conditioner in my room and I have to close all the door to film this video, so I feel like I look kind of sweaty, but hopefully you can understand, and I don't want to do it because of the reason, so I braided my hair. And a few days ago actually I dyed my hair. I'm not sure you can tell, but my hair looks a little brighter because I did some bleach for some part of my hair and I dyed the root part. Black root part, just that grows me out, so I need that. So I feel really refreshed. Yeah, I told you guys I've got 3 workout outfits. It's a Korean sportswear brand, so I really want to try. I went to one of their shops in Karusuke, so I tried some of them. So I got these 2 tops. I tried the leggings, but I've already got so many leggings, so I feel like I don't need them anymore. The first one is this cropped length bra top. There is a pad inside of it, and the pad is really thick and really foamy, so it makes my boob look bigger and it helps me keep my boob in shape. The cool thing of this is that if it doesn't have this kind of pad, I have to wear a bra underneath of that. It takes me less minutes to change my clothing in the morning. I mean, that's also a hassle in the morning. Everything kind of hard in the morning. It's stretchy and it's really fitted, so I don't have to worry about just slipping down or like showing my belly too much if I match this one with high-waisted leggings, so I'm really happy about it. And there are so many other colors, but I pick up black. I have high-waisted leggings, just one from Lululemon. You guys might know that if you watched my previous video. So I want to match this one with my Lululemon high-waisted leggings, so that one is also in kind of black. I want to get other colors. The other top I got from Xexymix is this crop length top again. It looks like a t-shirt, like really fitted t-shirt, and I got this in gray color. I want to get white color, but I'm kind of conscious of white color when I work out. I don't know. It's also really cropped length and I don't have to worry about show off my belly. It also really fitted, so it's cute but easy to wear, so I really like it. It also comes in different colors. I want to get a pink one too, and the price is pretty good. It's less than $20, but it's a Korean brand, so I'm not sure if they're available in foreign countries. But the problem is there is no pad inside of the top, so you need to wear a bra underneath of that. So I think that might be the reason it's cheaper than the first one. If you're conscious of showing your skin too much at gym, I think it's the better option because it's just like a t-shirt kind of design. I invested some money in this workout outfit. For me, leggings are more important than top, because whenever I feel discomfort, workout leggings, I don't wear that. So I got this one. I think it's called cycling short. I got it from Nike, and the reason why I got it because I don't have many high-waisted leggings. The fabric is kind of thick, but it's really stretchy and fitted. It's high-waisted enough to match crop workout tops, so I'm really happy about it. The price is not really too much expensive, but the fabric's really nice. It's made of dry fit fabric, so although you get sweaty quickly and easily, it absorbs your sweat, so you feel kind of coolness while working out hardly enough. Yeah, so I really like it, so I matched this one with my 2 tops, so I'm gonna share that. Why not? So these are all workout outfits I got from Xexymix and Nike, and I got 2 supplements. The first one is this Superbiotics, and I heard that so many good things about what else probiotics, and I have gut issue, I told you before. And a few days ago, I have a really bad stomach ache for some reason. I woke up, I felt really bad about my stomach, but I'm the kind of person, I just leave although I'm sick. So I just do my normal activity, but so I feel like, oh, I need something to cure it. So I took some pills before, but they never worked. So I want to try probiotics again. I tried before, but different brand. So it's from Sanofi's. I'm not sure. It's made of natural ingredients, so I don't have to worry about anything. And in Korea, I don't know. A lot of probiotics comes in a form of powder, but I don't like powder type of supplement. I think I'm not gonna eat that. So I got capsule type of probiotics, powder types of superbiotics. They contain some kind of artificial sweetness to make taste like juice or something like that, but I'm not keen on that, so I just go with this capsule type of superbiotics. And I start taking this on last Saturday, the day I got this one. So I just check my calendar after I taking it. I just check it right after getting up, because I know that if I don't take that moment, I'm not gonna eat that. I'm not a big fan of taking pills or supplements, to be honest, but I'm trying to make that as a habit. And it contains 30 capsules, so after 1 month I think I will take all of them. I just want to feel improvement and feel better about my gut health, so hopefully it will help. And I also got this one too, vitamin. I took this one before. I ordered some health food such as vitamins, supplements, whatever from iHerb, and I also ordered this one because it's pretty cheap compared to the quantity. Korean company imported this product. They made this kind of small quantity. The real version of it, the whole bottle that contains a bunch of capsules, I think that's pretty cheap in my memory. It contains 20 capsules, but it's around $10. But anyway, I feel like I need some vitamins. I have B12 vitamins, but I haven't finished it yet because I'm lazy to take. I don't like take pills, but that's one of my goals, to make that as a habit. Yeah, so I start taking this pill. The problem is the size of capsule is pretty big. I'll show you. It's really big. I'm not a big fan of big capsule. That makes me really comfortable when I swallow them. But it's really comfy because I can take all vitamins at once. So yeah, let's see how it works. It will help my immune system get better. So I'm taking them with hopes. That's all I can do, literally. Yeah, so those things are all I got and share for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and hope this video is somewhat helpful for you to inspire to take care of your body and health. That's all my intention for this video. Yeah, because sometimes I get lazy to take care of myself. I feel like, oh, what's the point to take care of myself? I feel like nobody cares about me. I don't know, but the only person who can take care of myself is me. So I always remind myself like, oh, you are the only one who can give love, care, attention to yourself. Don't expect those things from others. That's one of my morning affirmation I made yesterday. So I'm trying to just make that kind of subconscious mindset. So I'm doing my best. I want to be a person who take care of myself. I think you are the same person like me because you are watching my videos and subscribe my channel. So those things are all I want to share for today's video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Let's just be friends and keep in touch with each other. Yeah, I live in Seoul, South Korea, and just comment down below which country are you from. That sounds pretty interesting because I can connect with people from a lot of different countries. I think that's a cool thing about internet. Anyway, see you in my next video. Bye guys.